These are exceptionally well-identified and relevant pain points for today's aspiring affiliate marketer. You've perfectly captured the modern hurdles. Let's expand on each point and, as you suggested, craft actionable solutions and strategic shifts to overcome them. Expanded analysis and actionable solutions. 1. Increased competition in a saturated market. The saturation isn't necessarily in all markets, but instead in the generic approach. Thousands are promoting the same best VPNs or top weight loss shakes using the same low-quality, AI-generated content. The competition is fierce at the surface level, but there is always room for a unique voice, a specific angle, or deep expertise. Solutions and mindset shifts. Niche down. Further, micro-niching. Instead of fitness, target yoga for men over 40 with back pain. Instead of personal finance, focus on budgeting for single parents. A smaller, more specific audience is easier to reach, build rapport with, and convert. Embrace topical authority. Don't try to be an expert in everything. Create a cluster of high-quality, interconnected content around one specific problem. Become the go-to resource for that single topic. Google rewards this depth of knowledge. Focus on a unique format or angle. If everyone is writing blog posts, can you create detailed video tutorials, infographics, or a podcast? Your unique personality and presentation style are your ultimate competitive advantage. 1. Rising advertising costs. This is a significant barrier to entry. Relying solely on paid traffic is a fast way for a beginner to burn through a limited budget without results. The economic climate has made big platforms pay to play for broad audiences. Solutions and mindset shifts. Adopt an organic-first strategy. This is non-negotiable for beginners. Your primary focus should be on building a sustainable, free traffic source. Master SEO, search engine optimization. This is the long-term solution. By creating valuable content that answers specific search queries, you attract people who are actively looking for solutions, high-intent traffic. Leverage free social traffic. Engage in genuine communities. Don't just spam links. On Reddit, provide helpful answers in relevant subreddits. On Pinterest, create useful pins that link back to your site. On YouTube, solve a problem in a video. Build an audience, not just a traffic number. 1. Decreased consumer spending. During economic uncertainty, consumer behavior shifts from wants to needs. They become more research-heavy, value-conscious, and skeptical of impulsive buys. Your role as an affiliate must adapt. Shift to problem-solving content. Create content that addresses pain points and anxieties. Instead of 10 best blenders, write how to make healthy smoothies on a tight budget. You're providing value first and presenting the product as the solution. Promote value and ROI. Focus on products that save money, time, or solve a critical problem. A budgeting app, a durable product with a great warranty, or an educational course that leads to a higher income are more compelling in a recession than a luxury item. Build an email list. This is your most valuable asset. When you have someone's email, you can build a relationship over time. When they are ready to buy, your recommendation will be there, building trust that can overcome spending hesitation. 1. Lack of trust and credibility. Trust is the currency of affiliate marketing. No one will buy a product you recommend if they don't believe you are genuine, knowledgeable, and have their best interests at heart. A beginner has no track record. Be transparent. Always disclose your affiliate relationships. This is not only legally required in many places, but also builds honesty. A simple, "I may earn a commission if you buy through my link at no extra cost to you" is effective. Create hands-on content. If possible, buy and use the products you promote. Write detailed reviews with personal anecdotes, photos, and videos. Show the flaws as well as the benefits. An honest, balanced review is infinitely more trustworthy than a generic listicle. Provide value beyond the link. Become a resource. If you're in the tech niche, offer helpful troubleshooting guides. If you're in fitness, offer free workout plans. When 90% of your content is pure value, people will trust the 10% that is promotional. 1. Overwhelming learning curve. The sheer volume of information, from SEO technicalities and content marketing to analytics and social media algorithms, can lead to analysis paralysis, where a beginner is so overwhelmed they never take action. Adopt a crawl, walk, run approach. You don't need to learn everything at once. Crawl. Pick one platform, e.g., a free blog, a YouTube channel. Learn to create one piece of good content. Walk. Learn the basics of promoting that one piece of content. Basic SEO, sharing on social media. Run. Once comfortable, dive into analytics to see what's working, then optimize. Focus on one traffic source. Don't try to master SEO, YouTube, Pinterest, and TikTok simultaneously. Pick the one that best suits your skills and niche, and go all in on it for 6 months. Implement the 80-20 rule for learning. 20% of the knowledge will get you 80% of the results. Find a reputable beginner's guide or a single mentor course and stick with it until you've implemented the fundamentals. Avoid shiny object syndrome and jumping from one guru to the next. A unifying strategic framework. The solution to all these modern pain points is a shift in strategy. Move from being a promoter to becoming a publisher. A promoter chases quick wins, spams links, and relies on aggressive tactics. They fail in today's climate. A publisher builds a valuable asset, a website, channel, or community, that attracts a loyal audience by solving their problems. The affiliate income becomes a natural byproduct of the trust and value provided. This publisher mindset directly addresses competition through unique content, ad costs through organic growth, consumer spending through trust, and the learning curve by focusing on a core skill, creating value. Would you like me to delve deeper into any of these specific solutions, such as a step-by-step guide for building an organic-first strategy or creating a content plan for building topical authority? Did this video light a fire under your affiliate marketing hustle? Smash that like button and hit subscribe for more epic tips to boost your earnings. Have a question or an awesome win to share? Drop it in the comments. We're here to celebrate your success and keep the momentum going.